The Queen Emma Bridge uses sensors and AI to monitor its condition. These sensors collect data on various parameters such as stress, vibration, and temperature. This helps engineers schedule maintenance more efficiently. By predicting potential issues before they become serious problems, they can ensure the bridge remains safe and operational.
In the United States, the Golden Gate Bridge uses AI to analyze traffic patterns and improve safety. The AI system can detect anomalies in traffic flow and suggest measures to alleviate congestion. By understanding how traffic flows, engineers can make changes to prevent accidents. This not only improves safety, but also enhances the overall efficiency of the transportation network. These are just a few examples of how Bridge AI is making a real difference. From monitoring structural health to optimizing traffic, the applications are vast and varied. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. The potential for AI in bridge management is immense, promising safer and more efficient infrastructure worldwide.
Section 5. A safer future with Bridge AI. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we maintain and monitor our bridges. Bridge AI is a game-changer for bridge safety. By using advanced sensors and real-time data analysis, it can detect potential issues before they become serious problems. It's making our bridges safer and more reliable. This technology ensures that any structural weaknesses are identified and addressed promptly, preventing accidents and ensuring smooth traffic flow. This means fewer accidents and fewer disruptions to our lives. With Bridge AI, we can have peace of mind knowing that our daily commutes and travels are safer.
But the benefits of Bridge AI go beyond safety. It also plays a crucial role in the efficient management of resources. It also helps to save money. By providing accurate data on the condition of bridges, it allows for better planning and allocation of maintenance budgets. By detecting problems early, we can avoid costly repairs and extend the lifespan of our bridges. This proactive approach not only saves money, but also ensures the longevity of our infrastructure.
As we move into the future, Bridge AI will become even more important. The technology will continue to evolve, offering even more sophisticated tools for bridge management. It will help us build smarter and more resilient infrastructure. Future bridges will be designed with AI integration from the start, ensuring they are built to last and adapt to changing conditions. This will benefit everyone and create a safer world for us all. With Bridge AI, we are paving the way for a future where our infrastructure is not only safer, but also more efficient and sustainable.